Hi, welcome to another video. Same day, different fucking makeup look. Anyway, I am Cecilia, whatever I like to call me as long as it's not rude. Don't talk about my face because I know it looks weird because I don't like putting makeup on my mouth. Anyway, Sydney 11, I miss you every day. Please come back. You can also be my fourth wife if you want. I am taking applications right now. Yes, I am going to be married to a man, but I also have 3 wives, so don't talk about it. Anyway, this is for one of my friends, and I'm going to talk to her very briefly, so you can skip like 30 or 45 seconds and where the actual video starts. Thank you for always DMing me. I always forget to respond, and I'm really, really sorry, but I'm so proud of you for getting into law school. You're a fucking star. You're amazing, and I miss you every day in our group chat, and you are so much more worthy than any of the fucking men you ever talked to. But yeah, I love you. Thank you for being in my life, and I hope you make it through law school because I know you'll be a bomb-ass lawyer. Anyway, today I'm going to do Maddie from Euphoria's one of her looks. Alexa Demi, fucking gorgeous. I am so, like, you don't understand how obsessed I am with people that, like, okay, you're gonna be like, oh, like, you're fat, whatever, I don't care. I'm still sexy, it doesn't matter. Sort of have the same eye shape, and anyone who has the same eye shape as me, I'm convinced that I look like them and that I could be them if I was skinny, even though I know that's impossible. Like Caliucci's, I could be her. Alexa Demi, I could be her if I was skinny. I don't know why I have that delusional thinking, but I do. But this is the one from when she's cheering or doing cheerleading look. I'll pop it up, of course, and then I'll also pop up the makeup artist because I forgot to look them up in advance because I really just wanted to get videos out because I need to get 3 out this week. 3 or 2 out because it's the last week of October, so I need to get videos out. But I've been delayed because I was sick, and then I wasn't sick, and then I had to work like 17 days in a row. It wasn't 17, but it was a lot, and it pissed me off. Oh, why did my nose look so red right there? I don't know, whatever, don't talk to me. But yeah, I don't have a true teal. It kind of looks like a blue and then a lighter blue. So we're kind of going to just fuck around and play around with the shapes and stuff. I have some rhinestones actually like right here that I got from the Halloween store. But that's the thing, I don't have like a true teal. I have blues, and every time I do a blue look, it always ends up like super bright or just like not what I'm going for. So I'm kind of gonna mix like this navy. I'm gonna mix this navy and then this light blue. And then I guess we're just gonna go from there because it's like super, super dark. Also, I'm not gonna do like the full rhinestone lid because then we would be here forever. So I'm kind of just gonna do a couple. But I'm just mapping out the shape because it looks like it was either water activated eyeliner or paints on her lid and then shadow. So I'm gonna put the darker color on the outer third of the lid, and then we're gonna go in with the lighter shades. But I'm also not gonna make it as big because I have ginormous fucking lids, and that's a lot of eyeshadow. And like I said, I have a bunch of other shit to do today, guys. I'm just a fucking girl boss. I'm girl bossing. I'm slay queening. I'm just the moment. And if you're not here to see me, I don't fucking care. Also, I'm like just also coming off the end of like being fucking cursed. Like literally. So I got food poisoning. I had to call out of work. And then I had a... trying to remember what is the timeline of it. So okay, had food poisoning food poisoning hit Thursday night around like 6 a.m. and then I was supposed to go to work on Friday. Called out on Friday because I just felt so bad. Like I literally had a 100-degree fever and my insides felt hot. I literally felt I was like melting from the inside out. It was so fucking awful. Also, wings probably aren't going to be the most symmetrical, so don't come for me or I'll cry. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, 100-degree fever, had to call out of work on Friday, and then I go to work Saturday, and I'm like not feeling good, but I also don't feel super fucking awful. But literally I have cotton mouth the entire time. I can't eat. I literally wasn't able to eat anything for like 2 days. I ate like super, super small meals and was drinking a little bit of water, and it was just my teeth, I don't know, you can kind of see a little bit, but they like yellowed over. I was still brushing my teeth every day, but they kind of like really, really yellowed for whatever reason because I just like wasn't eating, and I know like that's kind of an ED thing. I think like your teeth just kind of start rotting because it's not that they're like not being used, but because like your body isn't getting the proper nutrition, they kind of just like run away. Not that they run away, they kind of just like don't know what to do, and I think they just start rotting. Girl, I'm not I'm not a nutritionist or anything, so don't believe anything I fucking say. But yeah, so that was fun. And then I go out with my friend because I'm feeling way better. Basically like 80% recovered. I'm feeling good. I feel sexy. And I haven't seen her in forever. And so I was like, okay, like, yeah, let's hang out. Like, I texted her on Sunday. So I felt bad. I was sick Thursday, Friday. Had to call, went to work Saturday. Left early. Pee-peed. And then we went out Sunday. And I was actually able to eat. And it was awesome. Because that's what made me sad too. Is that I like love the ritual and habits of eating and cooking and eating with loved ones. And I couldn't do that. And that made me really mad. This is one reason too why like I hate doing liner looks for like my channel, because I always end up taking way too long, because it's really, I don't know about y'all, but people who do symmetrical things, it's really like it's really 100% like a talent, because like May and who else, Antoinette and Cut Creaser, like, oh my fucking god, like that's 100% like a talent and a skill. Like I, for the life of me, struggle so fucking hard like trying to just deal with symmetry. Now we're gonna put, I can't use that brush. I guess I'll just use the same brush. I'll just do a little bit of white mixed with blue. Probably won't be able to see it that much though. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. I don't think if she doesn't have anything shiny, but I kind of will do, I'll keep like mixing this, and then because she does have like just the faintest inner corner of it. Again, I don't have teal. I really wish I had like a teal, because really that's what it is. It's like a super teal look, and it's so pretty. Yeah, so I'm kind of just gonna go back and forth, and then I'm debating of whether or not I want to like actually put the rhinestones on. That's kind of what we have going. I need to like bring back the darker color just a little bit, because you know when you start blending and then the color that you like had starts going a little bit too forward, or like in this case too backwards, and you kind of lose that the gradation, and so you have to like keep putting it over and over and blending and stuff like that. But yeah, because whoever the makeup artist was, their fucking blend on the shadows, fucking immaculate, like literal talent. My eyelids, I don't know why they've been creasing so fucking bad lately. Oh yeah, one is definitely a lot longer than the other, so we'll do that. And I guess we'll start putting on rhinestones. I don't even actually know how to put them on, I'm not gonna lie. So I have tweezers, but I don't know if that would be like good, because I'm really just kind of gonna put them like randomly above. Maybe they'll fucking come off. Yep, as I thought wasn't gonna happen. Or maybe like that. Okay, I mean that kind of works. Oops. But I also don't want to break them. I mean, they were like $5 at the fucking $5 hairs at the Halloween store. Yeah, this is not gonna end well, but it's fine. Okay, I'll put one more on together, and then I'm gonna have to let you go, and then I'll come back and we'll see what we do. Because you know what, maybe we'll just do that for the cut crease. I'll do maybe like a couple more, and then maybe I'll do like some right here, and then that's kind of the plan. But I'm gonna put some more, maybe 2 more up here, and then I'll maybe put like 3 right there, just so that we kind of have the look, because the rhinestones that they use are fairly tiny, and I'm sure they were put on with like tweezers even tinier than this. But yeah, give me a second, I'll be right back. This hurt my back, and also like literally took 30 minutes and 100% my brain power. So I have no thoughts head empty for the rest of the day, and I hope everyone is happy that now I can no longer work because my brain is just completely shut down. All her concentration went to these fucking rhinestones. But it actually looks super fucking sick, and I'm assuming that's why Maddie's makeup artist did it, or Alexa's makeup artist did it, just because she has so much eye space that it just looks so fucking cool. But I actually really love it. There's another one, I think, of Sydney Sweeney, or it is Maddie, where they kind of just have the it's not these ones, but it's like the rainbow ones that have they're like placed like around her face, and then the light just cascades over her, and it just looks so pretty. But I also feel very pretty, and I'm feeling the Euphoria fantasy now. I haven't watched the show yet because I don't want to be deeply traumatized. Also, her eyebrows weren't fully filled in, but mine look weird because this one I have like a top half kind of missing, so I kind of wanted to make them a little bit symmetrical. But yeah, I am so in love with this look. It is very, very pretty, so I'm very, very happy for my friend recommending me. She recommended me some, but the photos, like, I can't access them anymore, so I don't know what happens. But this is one that I definitely wanted to do when the series came out, and I saw some of the looks that the artist did. Yeah, but obsessed, love it, gonna take some photos. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, have a safe Halloween.